How smart are you, my friend? I know we all rate ourselves very highly, but are you ready to put that to an IQ test by answering the following 4 questions and one more bonus? Question just to prove your IQ superiority beyond reasonable doubt. But you have to answer the questions instantly by not taking too much time so that we get a quick response in all 5 questions. Okay, let's find out how clever you really are. Ready? Go. First question. You are participating in an Olympic race in Paris, France. Then you overtake the person in second position. What position are you now in? You have 5 seconds to answer each question. If you said first, you got it wrong because the correct answer is second. When you overtake the second person in the race, you take his or her position in the race, so you will be number 2 and not number 1. Did you get it right? If not, be more careful not to screw up the second question. Second question, you are in a race with 5 people and you overtake the last person. What position will you be in? If you answered number 5, you are wrong. If you answered number 6, you are still wrong. Because the trick in the question isn't in the numbers, it's a logical issue. In order to overtake someone, you have to be behind him or her. So that would mean you are the last person in the race. And if you are the last person, you can't overtake yourself, so it's logically impossible. How are you doing so far on the genius scale? Because if you got the second one wrong, it means you are not as super smart as you thought. But worry not if you can still get the last 3 questions right. You can still redeem yourself. Question 3 is a tricky mathematical question, and it has a twist to make things spicy. For you can neither use a paper, pen, mobile phone, nor a calculator. Now to the question. You have 1,000, add 40 to it. Now add another 1,000. Then add 30 and then add 1,000. Add 20 and then add 1,000. And finally add 10. What did you get as the total? Did you get 5,000? To cut the long story short, the right answer is 4,100, and you can take it to the bank. And you can use your calculator to prove it. So what is your score out of 3? Because we are now going to our 4th question. Are you ready? Question 4. I'm gonna make it very simple. Agri's father has 5 brothers. Firstborn is called Monday. Secondborn is called Tuesday. Thirdborn is called Wednesday. Fourthborn is called Thursday. So what's the name of the 5th son? If you said Friday, you are not correct, for the answer is Agri. For the question says Agri's father, so he's the 5th son. Let's finish with our bonus question. Just in case someone is having 0 out of 4 score, by now let's try and change this. A mute person goes into a shop intending to buy a toothbrush, and by imitating the action of brushing his teeth, he successfully expresses himself to the shopkeeper and manages purchase the toothbrush. Next, a blind man comes into the shop wanting to buy a pair of sunglasses. So how does he indicate to the shopkeeper that he wants to buy a pair of sunglasses? What did you answer? I hope it's nothing with an indication or signal, for the truth is blind. People don't use signals, for they can talk, and all he has to do is ask for a pair of glasses from the shop. Did you get it right? Hope so. Thanks for watching, and please comment your honest score in the comments. Please subscribe and share with your friends and family to see how many they will score out of 5. God bless you.